Okay, so I've just bought the KVM from AV Access. You'll note here I've connected it to a laptop through the USB-C. However, I've been informed by my lovely customer support rep, Johnny, that they don't support MST, I think it is. Basically, if you wanted to go with a Mac through USB-C port, it will only mirror the displays, as you can see here. It won't actually give you dual displays. However, AV Access have confirmed that there is a iDock M10 coming out soon, currently on pre-sale, which is really cool. So hoping to get my hands on that. The product's amazing, like it looks really good, and just at a touch of a button, I switch over to my gaming computer, which is located here. So really impressed with the product. However, I just need it for work at home reasons to have mirror display. And once again, so yeah, happy days. Looking forward to hopefully getting the iDock M10 soon.